Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader in X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And in the morning, gold made a high of 35083509. This was the high made by gold in the morning. So obviously, if we look at a chart of gold, then there is no doubt that gold is super bullish. But after making the high, okay, gold showed some correction, and right now gold is trading around 3476. And the problem is that the market is struggling with volume. After the correction or retracement, we can see the volume has dropped and there is not much bullishness in the market right now. So things are a little bit confusing. Okay. And if we look at the overall chart of gold here, then obviously the overall chart of gold is bullish. There is no doubt about it. Many of you are holding gold for the last couple of weeks and months. So you can hold your buy position. Okay, as long as gold is trading above 3450, we can hold your buy position. If market breaks 3450, then okay, it's a matter of concern for buyers. Otherwise, you can hold your buy position. And if you look at the daily chart of gold, as we have already discussed in the previous videos also, that gold is sideways. Okay, on the higher time frame, on the daily chart, gold is sideways, and there is no doubt about it. Obviously, gold has shown massive upside in the last few days, but on the daily chart, we can see that after the series of green candles, market is standing at the resistance now. Yes, gold is standing at the resistance now. So this is a matter of concern. For a bullish uptrend, we need gold above this area. Gold failed to sustain. No, we need gold to stay comfortably above 3500 for 4 hours, 5 hours, and then gold to go up. Okay, so that the resistance of 3500 become the new support. Try to understand. See, gold made a new high. Okay, fine, well and good. But gold failed to sustain. So as a result, you cannot consider the previous resistance to become the new support. That's why we need gold to stay comfortably above 3500. Okay, anyways, right now we can see that gold is showing signs of retracement here. Okay, there was some profit booking. So what to do now? Okay, let's discuss. As you can clearly see on the 15-minute chart that there is not much clarity. Overall chart is bullish, but the current chart is sideways. Okay, current chart is sideways and volume is also low. So right now on the chart of gold, I personally feel, they see, as a trader, we also have some limitations. We cannot predict the market. That market will go there, market will go down, market will go up from here, market reverse from there. No, nobody knows what will happen to the market. Okay, we can only react according to the situation. Okay, so here I think there is a possibility that gold may go down for further correction. If it does, then we can look for a sell below 3466. See, market took support around this area previously. If market breaks it during the US session, okay, or by tomorrow, if we see gold going below 3466 with volume, if you see a big red candle here, then we can look for a sell position. Okay, and where is the next support? The next support is around 3453, 345, the red line here. 50 is a round number psychological support, plus the previous resistance will also become the support. Same logic for gold 3500. The price action should work here. So around 3500, 3453, not 350, 3450, 3453. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. Right now on the chart of gold, these are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold. Okay, and they are also not very reliable. 3453 is more or less reliable, but selling below 3466 is high risk. So if you are convinced, if you are experienced trader, then only go for it. Otherwise, you can just avoid as well. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then okay, things are a little bit dicey here because gold will be sideways. See, you may think that Abhilash, what are you saying here? Okay, we are confused because see, I am also confused right now, and being confused in a chart like this is quite natural because as a trader, okay, we also get lost sometimes. For example, if you look at the chart of dollar or euro USD, JP USD, okay, you will see some clean moves in the market. For example, okay, this is euro USD. If market breaks the previous low here, we can sell below it, isn't it? Okay. For example, GBP USD, if market breaks this green line, we can look for a sell below it. So these are clean markets. But if you look at gold, then the chart of gold is not clean. That is the issue here. Okay. So that's why you may think that Abhilash, okay, you are just making us confused, and I'm extremely sorry. Because from my limited knowledge, I personally feel we can look for a high risk sell below 3466, and we can look for a buy around the red line 3453, 3450. That's it. And if you are a risky kind of a trader, then you can also look for a sell around 3490 area. Okay. But personally, I'm not going to take a sell around this area because okay, I do not like to take too much risk. And in case okay, market breaks 3510, okay, sorry, if market breaks 3510, then we can look for a buy above it, but chances of market going below going above 3510 is very less. Okay, so as of now, okay, I do not have any open position, but I will personally suggest you guys to wait for some time, okay, so that we get some clarity. Maybe we will get some clarity by tomorrow. Okay, if market stays like this, at least we will get the clarity that market is sideways and we can look for some levels or zones. But as of now, okay, we cannot consider that this market to be too much bullish, okay, or market to be sideways. That is the problem. Let's see. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but this is the market condition. If I missed anything, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, I would love to learn. After all, we all are students of the market.